Hey guys, welcome back. Now, in this video, we're gonna talk about how to actually make your chatbot slash agent, whatever you want. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started. The first step is to get out of this place and go to cursor and whoop, we're there. Now, this is my Luna bot, and for you, the first step is to actually go here, create open folder, create a new folder so that the cursor can put everything that you want in it. So let's say we call him uh, Johnny Idea. Let's say Idea Guy. Yeah, and yeah, we do that. We press this, we select, and we wait for it to open up the general. Okay. Okay guys, so now that we have created our folder, the idea guy, we will go here and create a new file called idea.main. No, not .main. Let's say main.py. And .py is so that you can actually code with Python in it. And you start here. There you go, it's ready. So the next step is basically I don't code, that's the truth, and everyone knows it. If you don't know it, you just found out. So what I do is I go to the assistant. If you don't have him, then you just have to log into your GitHub and he will be accessed. And we just choose, all right, let's choose GPT.5. Okay. Sorry, I have a tissue. Okay, so now that we have chosen our GPT.5 fast agent, we will give it its first command. Create a bot that can take my ideas by having a conversation with me using Olama, Mistral latest. Now I'm telling it which model I want it to use, so I don't have to put like all of it later on. So basically, it's going to create the bot. It's going to be able to have it's going to be able to have text, a text box, so that we can type and talk. And it's going to be using Mistral latest to reply to me. So yeah, let's do it. Create I can take my ideas, having conversation. Yes, and placing them in my notepad as a list that can be updated with our conversations. All right, so let's see what it does. Now, ChatGPT 5 is the new model that came out now, and I'm just trying to see if it is actually smart or if it's just fake. Okay, so it's basically telling me what it's gonna do. it's thinking the next moves, and all we have to do is wait. Okay, so finally, after waiting for 5 minutes in silence, we have our first piece of code. Now we press keep all as the first creation, and yeah, let's go up and see what it did. So it told me I'm going to inspect the existing folder, which was the empty one, the main pie, and then implement these traits. Talks with you via Olama Mistral latest, the model, extracts bullet points ideas from each exchange, writes and updates a persistent ideas.txt, which is going to the notepad file, and you can open notepad, optionally opens notepad automatically. Okay. And it took it 5 minutes to think of everything and put the code together. As you can see, it put all the imports, it put the local host of the Olama, it put the Mistral model here, and everything else needed for the actual program to work. And it also gave a system prompt to the Mistral. You are an idea capture assistant. Have a natural, concise conversation to clarify and refine the user's ideas. After responding, wait, let me just lower the light because I look like a. Alright. So after responding, extract new ideas, concrete, blah blah blah, from the next conversations, and do not repeat already captured ideas. Alright. So here it's telling us to pull the model from the Olama. And the way to do this is go to the terminal, open it up in the file guy, and we write Olama pull, what is it? Mistral latest. Mistral latest. And this is gonna take the um, the model from its library page that I showed you before, and it's gonna insert it into cursor so that I can communicate. Come on, 98, 99. I want to see what this looks like. It's stuck on 99, come on. Alright. Verifying chance or some whatever. Success. So now I'm guessing we can talk to him. We can. Let me just say Olama run Mistral latest. And here you will see if your mind works or not, if your model works or not. Hello, can I help you today? I have questions but need assistance, blah blah. Nothing. I just wanted to see if you work. Yes, I'm functioning in design. Okay, nice. Alright, since it's functioning, let's run it and see if it opens anything or nothing. Okay, oh, there you go. Type your ideas. You. Um, let's say I want to create a video about making money. Whatever. Should I say slash open? Oh, wait. Oh, it was thinking. Hi there, it sounds like you're interested in creating a video about making money. To help you refine the idea, let me ask you a few questions. Uh, what specific aspects of money would you like to focus on? A video? Something else? Anyway, you can read the questions for yourself. I will read them later. By answering these questions, we can better understand our vision and help create blah blah. So as you can see here, it has created a text file called ideas where it gives the idea that I gave it to how to make money, I said how to create a video about making money, and it wrote focus on specific aspects of money making, investing, starting a business, freelancing, target the audience for the video, preferred style of format, platform to share, YouTube, social media, specific goals, or message of the video. So it basically wrote down the first answers to its own questions on how to make the video. And now we can say open, and it opens it up on my notepad. Voila! You have your own AI agent right here, ready. It chats with you and it opens stuff with using commands. Now on the next video, I will show you how to make the GUI and also how to give it speech recognition so you can talk with it just like ChatGPT. Because writing a command down here is not really fun, right? Alright, be safe and I'll see you on the next one.